In the name of Allah, we praise Him, seek His help and ask for His forgiveness. Whoever Allah guides, none can misguide, and whoever Allah allows to fall astray, none can guide them alright. Mr. President and my respected teachers, dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is child labor. Mr. President, what is the child labor? The employment of children in an industry or business, especially when illegal or considered exploitative, is called child labor. Mr. President, the child labor exists in those societies where lack of education facilities, educational expenses are not affordable for poor people, so they send their children to seek employment. Child labor occurs in also those societies where people does not care about other people, especially poor ones. So the child labor work hard for the survival of their families. Mr. President, as Mr. Nobel Kailash said, cruelty against children is a crime against humanity.
ठीक है बेटा, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।